Hi everyone, this is Ajimol Manoj from JHP Sardar Primary English School. Welcome to our lesson Two Big States. In this lesson today we are going to learn the last part Vatapi and his great ruler Puligeshi II. The Chalukya dynasty was established by Puligeshi I in 543 AD. Puligeshi I took Vatapi, that is modern Badami, in Bagalkot district, Karnataka, under his control and made it his capital. Puligeshi I and his descendants are referred to as Chalukyas of Badami. They ruled over an empire that comprised the entire state of Karnataka and most of Andhra Pradesh in the Deccan. Puligeshi II was one of the greatest king of Chalukya dynasty. He occupied most of the South Indian territories and dominated all the princes with his high commandable nature. No one dares him to disturb or not to put a glimpse on Puligeshi II kingdoms. He came to power after Puligeshi I, Kritivarma, Manglesh, etc. He ruled for 30 years in South India. Puligeshi II was very valiant and brave king. He had got many victories in many battles and had won Lath region in South Gujarat and Gajar in North Gujarat and had also won over Vengi regions between the Krishna and Godavari rivers. He ruled over Andhra Pradesh too. Vatapi was his capital city. He made Vatapi a charming town. Here you can see the dynasty of Chalukyas. Chalukya dynasties ruled present day parts of Maharashtra and Karnataka and some parts of Andhra Pradesh. During his period, the caves of Vatapi, that is in Karnataka, and Dharapuri in Gujarat were constructed. Cave paintings of Achanta were prepared in those days. From this, we can realize that Puligeshi too was not only a great warrior but also a lover of arts. Here you can see Achanta caves in Maharashtra. And Badami caves in Karnataka. Puligeshi too with Harshavardhana. Emperor Harshavardhana was ruling entire north and wanted to show his supremacy in South India also. So he started his huge army to conquer the South Indian territories. Puligeshi too heard this news and didn't like to enter the northern army into his empire. So with a large army, Puligeshi too faced Harsha's army. Both the armies fought a great battle near river Narmada, and Puligeshi too succeeded to resist the army of Harsha and did not permit the invaders to advance towards the south. Finally, in the Battle of Narmada, Harshavardhan gave up his thought of conquering the South Indian continent and returned to the north. So the empire of Kanuj could not extend beyond Narmada. Here you can see Harsha's empire and Chalukya dynasty. Because of war between Harsha and Puligeshi, Harsha could not extend his kingdom beyond Narmada. Huangdi Huangdi was a Chinese traveler who visited India to admire Harsha for his deep devotion towards Buddhism. He visited many places of India and stayed here for 15 years. He has noted the social, political, religious condition of India during that time in his diary. Huangdi Sang, while traveling across India, had reached the court of Puligeshi too and admired him also. Religion. The kings of Chalukya dynasty were followers of Hinduism, but was tolerant towards other faiths also, including Buddhism and Jainism. But this time, Buddhism went into decline and Jainism became more popular, especially the Digambar sect of Jainism. Final days and tragic death. Puligeshi II, the great king who loved to fight battles and continued his fightings with other kings because of his lust for power. He made an unsuccessful attempt on the Pallava kingdom, but he had to return to his capital without success. Soon the Pallava king Narasimhavarman invaded the Chalukya kingdom and surrounded its capital. During the resistance battle with Pallava soldiers, Puligeshi too lost his life in 642 AD. Such a way, the great king also met the tragic death. Harshavardhan and Puligeshi too were the contemporary rulers. However, Harsha fought fewer battles as compared to Puligeshi. King Harshavardhan died 5 years after him. We can conclude by saying that both Harsha and Puligeshi too were the most brave and valiant Indian rulers of the 7th century. Our chapter 2 Big States ends here. Thank you for watching the video.